Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I tried out the 3D croc print nail design over some basic French tip, and it turned out really cute and I enjoyed it a lot more than I anticipated. And I already prepped my nails and applied base coat off camera, and for the nude polygel today we're using one from Makartt in the color 335. And for the nude, I'm gonna pretty much shape it into the smile line, or the shape that I like. I like it more of like an almond shape. You can shape your nail bed color however you like. Some people like their French tips to be super narrow, some people like it rounder. I think I like that almond shape, and I'm using my pinky as a guide since I already started off with my pinkies. So when I'm working with my ring finger, I'm just making sure to double check the shape and how far I bring up the smile line with my pinky so that all my nails are even. And during this step, I don't make my smile line super perfect because later in I go in with a hand file to go ahead and reshape the smile line and make it a lot more crisp. And then once I'm done applying the nude polygel, I go ahead and cure all my nails in the light for at least 30 seconds, and then making sure to wipe off the tacky layer once it's fully cured. And then here I'm just taking my hand file and reshaping my smile line just to make it a lot more crisp and clean, and making sure that all of these smile lines are somewhat symmetrical and even as possible. So if you don't like the shape of your smile line, you can go ahead and reshape them with the hand file. And for the white polygel, this is also from Makartt, and I'm basically just patting it in towards the tip of my nail, and if it overlaps the new polygel we applied earlier, you don't have to worry about that because we're going to go ahead and file it off. once I finished curing all of my nails after applying the white polygel, I'm going to take my hand file and file the sidewalls. I like to file the sidewalls before I file my nails because it helps me have an idea of what the shape is like, because I don't want to over file. Taking my penna safety bit and the fine grit, I'm going to go ahead and file the surface of my nails. And when you're filing, you're going to start to see your smile line appear, and this is because we applied the nude polygel first, and then we used the hand file to shape out the smile line, and then when we applied the white polygel, we basically just kind of filled in the gaps, so then when you file, it will reveal a really crisp smile line. And make sure you don't overfile or else your nails will be too thin. And then once I'm done with the e-file, I go back in with my hand file and reshape my nails, making sure they're all even, smooth out any ridges, and then I go in with a buffer to buff out my nails so that when I apply the top coat, there are no unevenness, any lumps or bumps. So now onto the nail art. I'm going to first apply glossy top coat all over my nails and then cure that in the line for at least 60 seconds. And for the Croc print, it's really easy. All you do is take a dotting tool. I took white gel paint. You can use any gel paint or color you prefer. And then I'm just basically making like lines or blobs, just kind of messily applying onto my nail beds. I start with the middle of my nails and then work my way to the sides. And then I gradually kind of just spread out the gel paint so that it gets gradually bigger as I work my way down the nail. And then once I like where my gel paint is, I take some dip powder. This is clear dip powder, and then I make sure to generously pour it over my nails so that each of the little patches is covered with dip powder, and then flash cure that in, and then repeat the same steps onto the rest of my nails. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one. Bye!